Hi, this is Angie. Welcome to Naturally Naz. And today I'm just doing a quick snippet of a video showing you how I unmold my soaps. That means taking them out of the molds, and there are several molds that I have with different shapes. And my favorite ones are the rose-shaped molds. The soaps they do, once we are finished making them and pouring them in the mold, they take between 4 weeks to 6 weeks to be ready. All the water is evaporated out of it and the lye is neutralized, and they're hard enough because once the water is totally evaporated, it's hard enough so it can last you longer in the shower. My customers absolutely love this face soap, and I get so many compliments and reviews. And this soap is charcoal and there's clay in it, so it's a spa soap also. And people that have acne problems and eczema problems will want to use this face soap. I also use this soap. I've been using it for 5 years now. My family uses this soap. Complete strangers buy this soap from me and continually use this soap. It is that amazing. And you can find this soap and all my products on naturallynaz.com. My Instagram for this is naturallynaz_beautycare. My lock today, just a quick difference from the middle part or just a simple side part. I just put a scrunchie right there to puff it out a little and sweep it over from the low side, and that's it. Here we are with these soaps in these beautiful rose-colored molds. See? That's the effect the soap is going to have, the shape it's going to have. And I'm loving these. Look now. So I stretch to break the ear tightness, and then I can use my finger under here, pop it up. These molds are silicone molds and they're very flexible. Look at that. There you go. Okay. This is how soap is made, poured when it's really soft and runny, to take the shape of its container, and boom, there you go. And as I said, they take between 4 to 6 weeks to be ready. And oh, look at this one. This is my favorite shape. I do the Sandy Seas soap with this too, and I think the chlorophyll windy forest soap. 6 years ago, I used to want to do them immediately, because the beauty about soap, when you make them, you're just longing to see the shape. And if you use different colors, how it comes out, because it's handmade soap and it never is the same between two soaps. Even if it's from the same batch, something is different and unique. And that's the beauty of handmade. Okay, now not every mold is this easy to plop out, and I'll show you. This is the softest mold I have. In no time, boom, it's out. And see, it's a different shape from this one and from this one. Beautiful face soap. They're kind of too big for face soaps because they last forever, and the bigger, the more ingredients in there. Look, I love to unmold from this very soft silicone mold. Look at this. It plops. You see, I wasn't even pulling this one out and it's out. Awesome. Then I'll show you from this. This is a little bit more tricky than the other soap. Yeah, this is a problem I have sometimes. So I have to maneuver and it's out. It's plainer, but some people are used to it, right? And the men like to buy this plain one because it's awesome for their shave bumps. Also, they just lather up and put it on like a mask, leave it on, and it helps them. See, takes a little bit longer. Let's get some ear locking out. Try my best not for it to mess with the shape of the soap. Years gone by, when I just bought this mold, it was difficult and it used to mark the side of the soap. And then I learned to leave it in there a little longer. So, and then this little soap here, these are like for gift size when I get orders. And this is a face soap. This will last you 3 to 4 times. Trust me. I've used it. I've traveled with it. See? Nice and easy. Now, this is a very pretty mold that I bought. I only have this one. And so if, you know, most of the times when I get large orders, I'll be a little bit more generous with my order's gift. But I have to be careful. It's not the easiest, baby, so I have to make sure see, I have to do this now and pump the bottom and then bring it down to the table. Hopefully it's not damaged. There it is. Hopefully when it's dried, you'll see more of the definition of the pattern. And here we go. Look at this beautiful shape. Activated charcoal and bentonite clay soap. It has jojoba oil, avocado oil, olive oil. It's amazing, and it's my top seller between the shea butter, hair butter, and this soap. Sometimes this soap sells a lot, and then sometimes the shea butter, hair butter sells a lot, but they're close together when it comes to sales. Hope you like this video seeing me unmold my soap. It's a quick one, but it's interesting, and people always ask me how I get the shape. And so I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a nice comment in the comment section down below. I'll catch you in the next video. Shalom.